Hey there. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to destination for home design inspiration. Today, we're talking about one of the most essential pieces of furniture in your living room, the coffee table. It's more than just a spot for your coffee cup, it's a statement piece that ties your entire decor together. Let us explore unique coffee table styles to match any decor. Trend 1. The classic wooden coffee table. First up, the classic wooden coffee table. Whether you prefer rich mahogany or light oak, wood tables are timeless and versatile, blending seamlessly with rustic, farmhouse, or traditional decor. Trend 2. The modern glass coffee table. Next, we have the modern glass coffee table. With its clean lines and transparent surface, it's perfect for smaller spaces or modern and contemporary interiors. Add a sculptural base for an artistic touch. Trend 3. The industrial coffee table. For an urban vibe, try an industrial coffee table. These often feature metal accents and raw, unfinished materials, making them ideal for lofts or spaces with an edgy aesthetic. Trend 4. The mid-century modern coffee table. Channel the 1950s with a mid-century modern coffee table. Its sleek, angular design and warm wood tones work wonderfully with retro or Scandinavian styles. Trend 5. The round coffee table. Round coffee tables are perfect for creating a softer, more inviting look. They're great for smaller spaces and are safer for homes with kids, thanks to their lack of sharp edges. Trend 6. The nesting coffee table. Nesting coffee tables offer a space-saving solution. Pull them apart when you need extra surface area, or tuck them together when not in use. And there you have it, top unique coffee table styles to match any decor. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.